Welcome to the Scorched Desert Sands Racing Competition. Heroes and villains. Ready, set, go! The race ignites on this glittering sandy terrain. Spider-Man surges ahead, leaping over the first dune with a heroic flare. But the Joker pulls a sneaky overtake, closing in fast. Spider-Man slides back into the lead, mastering the shifting sands. Spider-Man's bike is wrecked as the Joker races on without remorse. The Joker crosses first, claiming the win in round one. The umpire awards the trophy to the cunning Joker. Humiliated, Spider-Man heads home amidst the crowd's wrath. Back in his workshop, Spider-Man's house is rebuilt and returns stronger. Through the night, he welds the frame back together with precision. Adding a fresh paint job and custom web patterns for extra style. New parts installed. The bike is reborn and ready for revenge. Yes! The test ride succeeds, faster and stronger than ever. Round 2 begins. Spider returns with his upgraded ride.
One last massive dune, full throttle, no fear.
Round 2 is underway. May the best rider win.
Win.
Round 2 is underway. May the best rider win. Spider-Man takes a commanding lead with his new upgrade.
Crowd's roar shakes the ground from near and far. No more tricks, no more lies, only truth in
But
my
Spider-Man turns the tables with a powerful counter. Now the Joker tastes defeat. His bike in ruins.
Every scar's a story, only hero.
Now you see, cheater! With victory in sight, Spider-Man races to the end. Spider-Man wins round 2 in spectacular fashion. The champion trophy goes to the resilient Spider-Man. The crowd celebrates their true hero's comeback. The end of one race. The start of legend.